A 4 cm line segment is dilated by scale factor of 3 and centered at its midpoint. What is the length of its image? When we have dilation, it means that we have to make figure larger or smaller, because in this example we have to dilate by the scale factor of 3 and the center at its midpoint. So I will draw the line that it will be x-axis, because we have to, like I said, have center at its midpoint. So because we have 4 cm line segment, I will place the segment 0. At 0 I will have the midpoint at the segment, so I have to move to the right 2 units and 2 units to the left. So I will have the line segment from -2 to 2. This is our 4 cm line segment. The center we have of dilation at 0. And now, because we have scale factor 3, we have to multiply the endpoint -2 on the left side by 3. So -2 times 3, it will be -6. So we have to go to -6 on the left side. -2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the right side we have endpoint in 2. We have to also multiply 2 by 3, because the scale factor is 3. So this is equal 6. So we will move to the right side to 6. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now, after dilation, our segment is from -6 to 6. This is our segment. So the length of this segment is, on the left side from 0 we have 6 units, and on the right side from 0 we have 6 units. So in other words, we have to take absolute value of -6 plus 6. This is equal 6 plus 6, this is 12. So the length of our segment is 12 centimeters. So after dilation, by a scale factor 3 and the center at its midpoint, our line segment is larger, because scale factor is greater than 1 and has 12 centimeters. In other words, what we can do, we have to multiply this 4 cm line segment by 3. In other words, 4 centimeters times 3, this is equal 12 centimeters. This is my solution. You can do this way or that.